Ravana believed no one could stop him. He had defeated kings. He had shaken the heavens. Even the god feared his power. But did not expect an old wounded bird to race against him. This is the story of Jatayu, the warrior who chose dharma over survival.
Namaste, my dear explorers. This is Shaurya welcoming you to our channel Manarshi, young explorers of the Golden Sparrow. Here, we kids are trying to figure out why our Bharat Desh is also popularly known as the Golden Sparrow. In the beginning, the universe breathed in silence. From that breath came Brahma, from Brahma Marichi, and from Marichi Kashapya, the eternal seed of creation. From Kashapya came two flames in the sky. Garuda, the strong-headed warrior guardian of Vishnu, and Aruna, the crimson charioteer of the sun. From Aruna's line came two divine eagles, Sampati, the eldest, whose wings spread across the horizon, and Jatayu, the youngest, whose soul was woven by fire, wind, and an unshakable dharma. The sky was their playground, they wind their breath, and one day they soared towards Surya, the god of light. But Jatayu, he flew too close, his wings began to burn and he began to fall. Sampati, the dove-like lightning, he sheltered his vast wings across Jatayu and bore the flames upon himself, taking the fall. That day, Jatayu learned, to love is to burn, to protect is to sacrifice. Time flowed, dynasties rose, and dharma faded. But Jatayu, he remained, the watcher, the sentinel, the lone guardian of the sky. And then one day, he met Rama, the prince of Ayodhya, and in his eyes, he saw the light of an old friend, Dasharatha, and said, I shall protect what your father held dearest. That day, a winged oath was taken in the forest of Panchavati. But soon, the storm came. A charioteer of black, gold, and fire shattered the sky. Ravana, the 10-headed demon king, soared about the forest, with Sita in chain, her cries piercing through the cloud. The wind carried a voice to a warrior waiting in the forest. Jatayu, old and sacred, yet fierce as ever, rose into the sky. Stop, Ravana, he cried. This path will only lead to your doom. He knew who Ravana was. He was not just a demon king, but a being of divine birth. He was the son of Vishrava, the half-brother of Kubera, possessed of boons, black sorcery and magic. But Jatayu, he was not stopping. He did not fight for victory. He fought for a woman's dignity, for Rama's dharma. Jatayu tore through Ravana's mules and shattered the enchanted armor and scraped his arm. The demon king, though fueled in fury, summoned Asura fire and engulfed Jatayu. Jatayu was wounded and burned, but he did not fall. He kept fighting. But then, with an enchanted blade and one swift move, Ravana cut through both of his limbs. Jatayu fell to the ground, but he did not scream. He just gazed as a charioteer moved southward. And in his final breath, he whispered the direction of truth. South Lanka. Rama found him, his feathers scattered everywhere, his body wounded. And in that moment, he said, Jatayu, You are not just a bird or just a warrior. You are a rishi with wings. And that moment, the prince lit his fire and granted him moksha, a freedom even sages long for. The temples rose in his name, not to worship a warrior, but to show us what truly makes one different. It is not strength, it is not victory, but it is the choice to sacrifice for the right. Jatayu, the sky warrior, the one who did not see victory, but in his fall, turned marketplace. That is it for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Manashri Young Explorer of the Golden Sparrow and stay tuned.